Hey guys, we're at Avenue Sound, Freeport, New York. We got a 2016 Subaru Impreza WRX STI manual push-to-start car. This is what the key fob looks like. And we went ahead and installed a VIPER 5706 two-way, 1 mile range alarm and remote car starter in there. I don't know if you can see it, but we got a little stick shift logo right there. Lets me know that the car's in manual transmission mode. So I can just do a one press on the remote control. It will send a command to the car and then remotely start. We have full security, keyless entry, and alarm. In addition to that, the factory control also works the alarm. You walk over here. Again, you can see it's a manual transmission STI. And now, if I go ahead and just grab the door handle, it will disarm the alarm. I don't have to use the VIPER remote control, so I can maintain full convenience. Again, this was done here at Avenue Sound, Freeport, New York. Visit us on the web at www.avenuesound.com, Facebook, YouTube, or follow us on Twitter. Thank you.